Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got Jerry here ready for part 2. So we got a couple things to discuss of what we've done today, what future plans are coming in the very near future actually, and what we plan to do moving forward from there. So right now I took out the entire wiring harness of this thing from headlamp to tail lamp. It's all out of here because it's getting replaced. I decided I'm not going to try and keep anything. Maybe a couple connectors here and there for like the ignition switch if I want to keep it. We got all the glass out. So the windshield's out. Back two windows are out. Rear hatch glass is out. Surprisingly, it's not as bad as what we thought it was going to be around the rough spots of the windshield and the rear hatch. So I got my body guy, he came out, took a look at it. We striked a couple deals. This is what we're gonna do, and moving forward, it needs a frame rail in the left rear. That whole left rear corner panel needs to be gutted like we talked about. The floor pan's coming out, and now we got a game plan of attack. I gotta start ordering some parts, and we'll have more content coming to you.